Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Today I am going to clean my son's room, and as you can see, it is a mess. He loves playing with his toys. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, and I'm gonna separate some toys that need to be donated because he doesn't play with them anymore, and clean up his clothes and all that. So let's get started. He loves playing with this car still, so I'm gonna keep that. But I'm gonna turn it sideways just so it's not sticking out. He does have this basket right here that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I can put some stuff in there. See, like, he was playing with this hat, but I'm going to put it in his closet. This pillow goes to his rocking chair, but it's out there still. I might move it in here, but I don't know yet. His Mickey drum. These little pieces go to a hamburger set, but he just plays with the insides of it. So all these little pieces I'm gonna put in there. This I'm gonna donate. It was his Halloween costume. He's gonna be too big next year, so. Turn this off. And he still loves skinny toys, so I'm gonna keep this. He was playing with a water jug. He's had this for a long time, but I'm gonna get rid of it. His Mickey toy and his little remote thing, gamer thing. Another hat that he doesn't need right now because it's winter time. These are all his little chew toys. Just put in there. This goes to this, which I'm going to put back on here. Oops. He loves this little dinosaur that you put the toys in its mouth, and like you're feeding it. If I can get this back on here. Well, I can't get it back on there, so I'm just gonna put it in here. Actually, I'm gonna put this on his dresser so we don't lose it. These little things, I had like his socks in, but I took them out because they're up there on the dresser. So I might try to find something to put in here, but they're not very deep, so. This toy, I'm going to just line up over here. It's another piece of the hamburger. This came off of his play mats, but I don't use them anymore, so I'm just gonna put them with the rest of the mat. Here's his Bluey toy that dances. This is his little ducky toy that he can push around. Another pillow. This actually came out of the closet, and I'm gonna put this back up. He doesn't need it. These toys I'm gonna keep, but I'm gonna put them in another room because he's not really playing with these. like put all his hard toys in this one basket. This is another piece of that dinosaur. I'm just gonna put right there. His Bluey ball. And this bug he likes, so I'm just gonna keep it right there. Put it right there. Gotta put this right here so he can sit in it. And his little car, put it in there. Ooh. Somehow his picture came down. We did have it on this wall, but I have to put it back up, so I'm just gonna put it on the dresser. He was playing with these bubbles. It's not open, he can't open it, but yeah, I'm just going to put that over here for now. This toy doesn't even work, so I'm just gonna donate it. He did just get a new pair of shoes. Put them on that shelf. I'm gonna put these diapers on this shelf, just so they're easy to get to. He got another pair of tennis shoes. Put it right there. And this is his laundry basket that has a few dirty clothes in it, but not much. This shirt I'm gonna put in his closet. It's just in the way. These hangers I don't need because he's got actual nice ones, so I'm gonna throw this out. He got a couple new outfits, so I'm gonna keep these out because he's been wearing them this week. It's been so cold lately. So, and this is another outfit that he can wear. These are his clothes. I'm going to take these and put them right here to fold. Some of these are like mixed up. I'm going to put them in his closet. Some are long sleeve, some are short sleeve. This is the bottom of those. That onesie up there. This is shorts that he doesn't need. These are his sweaters. This actually matches my shirt. It's a little black long sleeve onesie. Pants, short sleeve, I think. No, this is long sleeve. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put them on this shelf right here so they're not in the way. So, how are y'all doing today? Are y'all staying warm where y'all are? I know we don't have really cold days like this where I live, so just taking it hour by hour. I did put up some, this is another outfit he got the other day. I did take up some water because I just didn't know if we were gonna have water this morning, but luckily we did. This is another outfit. I washed clothes the other day, like I said, because I wasn't sure that we were gonna have water, so I washed his new outfits that he had gotten. Like, this boy has not worn the same outfit once in his life, and I'm so grateful that he's able to do that. This is short sleeves. It's warm, but it's short sleeves. He got some socks, long sleeves, short sleeves, but the pants go with that. Short sleeves, long sleeves. I'm just separating this so they're easier to pick out when I need it. Excuse me. And I'm just gonna put them right here for now. And another hanger. And this is like a backpack pillow. I'm just gonna throw in there. He can just play with it. So yeah, that is the clean room. His toys right here that he can get to, and I straightened up over there, and his clothes on the little shelf down there. That's easier, and his next couple outfits on the dresser, and I've got a few things over here that I'm gonna get rid of. Alrighty, so that is my son's clean room, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.